Okay, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Rizzy to the vibe, and today guys it's not gonna be another test of the 9070 XT or the 9800 X3D, nothing like that today. Today's gonna be a bit of a specific video, more specifically a tutorial on how to transfer your save data on Monster Hunter Wilds from one Steam account to another Steam account. So my account is obviously Rizzy Vibe, and when I first started playing Monster Hunter Wilds, I played it on my brother's account because he bought the game first, and then I ended up getting the game later on. But I built up a character on my brother's account, and when I did end up getting the game, I didn't want to start all over again. So this is a tutorial for those of you who are kind of facing a similar type of issue. But anyway, first of all, you need to go ahead and download this file. It's going to come as a zip folder, a zip file, and then you just need to extract it. It's going to end up looking like a folder. It's going to end up being a folder, and then it's called REE Save Editor. Okay, so you have REE Save Editor open. Then you need to go ahead and go to your C drive, your program files x86, go to Steam, user data, and then because I'm signed into two accounts on Steam, not at the same time, but I have access to two accounts at this, on Steam. My brother's one is here and this is my one. So essentially I want to transfer the save data from here to here using REE Save Editor. You cannot just simply copy and paste. It doesn't work like that. Okay, alright, so open up the user ID, Steam ID that belongs to you. So how you can find that out is you can go on Google, write down SteamDB. I'll leave a link in the description for you guys, don't worry. And then it's going to be like a URL box, and you put in your Steam profile URL, and then you'll get a number that looks like this, and find your one. And I'll open the folder, open this one. This is Monster Hunter Wilds remote, and there we go. So we stay here, and now we can open REE Save Editor. Okay, first of all, what I want you guys to do is make a backup of the save file that you're going to be editing. Okay, so if I go back, since I am trying to edit the save file from my browser account, which is this folder here, you can just copy these and make a little backup like I have here in case anything goes wrong. Okay, and yeah, so next thing, okay, because of the new updates on this little software, now REE Save Editor can automatically detect the users that are signed in or have an account on this specific computer. So you do need to actually have access to the account from which you're trying to transfer the save data from. Okay, so select user that you're trying to get the save from, Major Ramsey. This is the associated Steam ID. Okay, and when you click select save file, this is the one that you are trying to actually transfer over, not this one. This one contains key configs and other things like that, keyboard configurations, controller configurations, stuff like that. This is the one that contains the bulk of your character data. That's the one that you're trying to actually copy over. Okay, so you click that. Now, okay, I'm gonna go back here. Okay, right. Now, since on my brother's account, Steam account, on his Monster Hunter Wilds game, he has his own one, and I have my own save as well. For this to work, you need to erase both Hunter IDs. Okay, if you only have one save file on the game, then you only need to remove that one. But since there's my brother's save data and my save data, you need to, this is going to be filled up with numbers and letters, this is going to be filled up with numbers and letters, and you just need to remove everything that's in both the boxes here. Sorry, I keep on clicking these random things, and both of the boxes here. Once you do that, yeah, okay, then you change the user to the one that you want to transfer to. So I'm transferring from Major Ramsey to Rizzy Vibe, me. And now you see the user ID change as the Steam ID change. Then click save. Okay, it's going to tell you save to RE Save Editor Windows Outputs, which is here. Close. You can close this now. Okay, it's outputs. Then you want to press Ctrl C and then Ctrl V, and then you want to replace the file in the destination. I don't want to do that because I've already done it before. Okay, so leave it. And then what you're going to see is when you open Monster Hunter Wilds in your new Steam account, for example, you're going to see something like this. Let me show you. Everything should load as normal as you're going into the title screen. Start game, and what you're going to see is the name associated with the account, but you're not going to see these numbers because you actually just removed them. So what you need to do is you need to go, you're going to be offline, you need to go online, not online single player. You need to go to recommended lobby and join a recommended lobby. Okay, when you go online, then Capcom, the Capcom servers, is going to give you a new Hunter ID and a new Hunter Show ID. And then that's it pretty much. Once you're loaded in, that's it. You've successfully transferred your save data. However, there's some stipulations. You are going to lose if you do this, and if you remove your Hunter ID and your Hunter Show ID, you're going to lose everything pretty much online related. So squads, stuff like that. Yeah, so I actually had a squad, a little 5-6 member squad, before I decided to actually like transfer everything over and forget everything. And when I checked my squads, there was nothing there. Okay, it was literally nobody. There was no, it said join a new squad and that's it, or create a new squad. So this is my squad. If you want to join, you can join. I got 2 members now. Okay, so you are going to lose everything online related. If you have a big squad, well, I'm sorry, you might need to maybe warn everybody that you're transferring your data over. Maybe you might need to give an announcement to everybody in your squad to possibly like go join the new squad that you're gonna make on your new account, on your new Steam account. But yeah, you're gonna lose pretty much everything online related, not your actual progress that you make in the game, because that is actually offline technically, but stuff like challenger quests, stuff like that, I think that's gonna go. You might get reset. DLCs, I think might get reset, but other than that, you're pretty much transferring everything else over. Okay, I'm gonna quit out of this game. And yeah, that is pretty much it. I got this tutorial from Nexus Mods, their page. There's a separate tutorial for Monster Hunter Rise, which you can actually find on the website. I will leave a link in the description for everything that I mentioned. So yeah, anyway guys, I hope this video had helped you. Thank you guys for watching the video. Please make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.